Hello everyone. Are you wondering what pangender means? Let's explore. Pangender refers to identifying with all genders simultaneously. A pangender person might feel that their gender identity encompasses every possible gender, or that they embody a wide range of genders at once. This identity is highly inclusive, recognizing the full spectrum of gender possibilities and integrating them all into one self-concept. Pangender individuals often reject the limitations of binary or even non-binary categories, instead embracing a more expansive and comprehensive understanding of gender. In essence, being pangender is about identifying with every gender, creating an identity that is all-encompassing and reflective of the diversity of gender itself. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.